Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's kind of summer over here, and this year I have tried to grow my own methi at home. This is because we don't get fresh methi leaves in the Indian stores here. As you can see, it was quite successful, I must say. So today I am going to prepare Menthi Kura Pappu or Methi Dal using these fresh methi leaves. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients needed to make the dal. Separate the leaves and wash well to remove any dirt. You can use tender stalks. Chop the leaves coarsely and keep it aside. Firstly, cook lentils as you normally do. Anyways, I have a video on how to cook dal perfectly, especially for beginners. So I'll link it up or in the description box below, so you can go and have a look. So for this recipe, you can use tur dal or moong dal or even a mix of both the dals together. But today I am using tur dal. Once lentils are cooked, mash it and keep it aside. Heat a pan with oil. Add dry red chillies, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and very few fenugreek seeds. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add in few garlic pods and curry leaves. Optionally, you can also add in some ginger grate at this stage. Give it a stir for a few seconds and then add thinly sliced onions and slit green chilies. Saute until onions turn translucent. Now add some roughly chopped tomatoes and saute until soft. Add turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Mix well. Now add finely chopped methi leaves and give it a nice mix. Saute well until the leaves shrink. If you want the bitter taste to reduce, saute for another 2 minutes extra so that the bitter taste from the leaves will reduce. Now add in cooked dal and tamarind extract. Mix well and add enough water to get the required consistency. Add some salt. Add a little sugar and bring it to a boil. After 5 minutes, turn off the heat. Serve with rice or roti. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.